Hey, what is up guys, this is Asam. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can control your Arduino using Python over voice. Okay, this is going to be a very cool project and I just used a simple Python trick in this project. I am using speech recognition for recognizing the speech, pyfirmta for using the Arduino spin, and pyttsx3 sorry guys, my bad, pyttsx3 for outputting the voice. Okay, now I'm going to run my project and let's see is it works or not. It is taking a bit of time. Turn on the blue LED. Sorry guys, it didn't catch the voice. Now I'm going to run my program again. Turn on the blue LED. Okay, we can see the
blue light is blinking.
Okay, blue LED is blinking. Now I'm going to turn on the red LED again. Turn on the red LED.
Red light is blinking.
Okay, we can see the red LED is blinking. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to make this project from scratch. So guys, you guys should have a more clear understanding what is going behind the scene. Okay, now I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to create a Python file. Let's say LED blink with voice.py. Okay, now I'm going to close other files, and here first of all I'm going to import speech recognition. After that, if you had problem using installing the modules and stuffs like that, just simply let me know in the comment section. I will reply as I know. Okay, import speech recognition as SR. Now I'm going to import pyfirmta for accessing the Arduino pin. After that I'm going to import Arduino from pyfirmta. So from pyfirmta, sorry guys, my bad, from pyfirmta import Arduino. Okay, after that I'm going to import time. I'm going to import sleep module from time. Okay, so from time import sleep. Okay, now I'm going to import pyttsx3 for outputting the voice or speech to text to speech. Okay, now I'm going to declare the port where my Arduino is connected. Okay, my port is port 3. If you don't know where your port is connected, just simply open up your Arduino IDE and go to tools menu, and then here you can find your port. Okay, the port is port 3. After that I'm going to declare a variable, and in this variable I'm going to bind the port to our Arduino. Okay, okay, now I'm going to declare two pin. Okay, one is blue pin and one is red pin. Okay, I'm going to declare the blue pin to 10 and the red pin will be, let's say, 11. Okay, after that I'm going to initialize our pyttsx3. Okay, for initializing the pyttsx3 I'm going to create a variable called engine, and here I'm going to initialize the pyttsx3. Okay, I'm going to calling the pyttsx3, and after that I'm going to call the init method, and then I just initialized the pyttsx3. Okay, now let me work with speech recognition. So I just imported the speech recognition as SR, so I'm going to call the speech recognition module by SR, and then I'm going to use the recognizer method. Okay, and then I'm going to set our microphone. Okay, from sr dot microphone. Now I want a loop whenever I want a loop for continuous input and continuous output from Arduino. Okay, so for that I'm going to use the while loop. Okay, then with keyword I'm going to call our mic variable with mic, as I'm going to name the mic as source. Now I'm going to print something for a confirmation that our microphone is listening. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to set a variable, and this will be audio, and basically this is the I'm going to assign our recorded audio to this variable. Okay, for that I'm going to call our R variable because it is the recognizer that I just specified earlier. Okay, now I'm going to recognize the audio. Okay, so for that r.listen, where it is going to be, it is going to listen. Okay, it is going to listen from the source. Okay, so source. Okay, now I'm going to use try exception method for handling the error. So try, I'm going to set a variable called command, and the command will be from our voice. I'm going to use the Google recognizer. Okay, it is going to recognize from the audio. Okay, it is going to convert the speech to text. So let me print the command. So for a understanding of what it is recognizing, now I'm going to use exception. Sorry guys, my bad. Except sr dot unknown value error. Okay, this is the error that is going to show for an let's say for recognizing a wrong input from the microphone. So this is going to show that unknown value error. So I'm going to handle this error. Okay, if this error occurred, then I'm going to set the command to didn't catch sound. Okay, for an internal error. Okay, now I'm going to use the engine for a TTS. Okay, command. Now I'm going to say that please run and wait for some time. Okay, this is a method or function, whatever you want to say. Okay, now I'm going to set I'm going to lower the command. Okay, so for that command dot lower. Okay, now okay, here I'm going to say if, let's say, blue is available in command, then the rest of the function is going to happen. Okay, what is the function? The function will be about blinking an LED. Okay, obviously it will be a blue LED. So here I'm going to access the boot variable, and then I'm going to access the digital pins. So I'm going to use the blue pin. and I'm going to write 1. Okay, after that I'm going to set a delay for 3 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to off the LED digital blue pin dot write 0. Okay guys, and then I'm going to make a TTS. Okay, engine dot say, let's say blue LED is blinking. Okay, now I am going to set a method here for a stable TTS, and then I'm going to copy this piece of code and then paste it here. Here I'm going to change the blue to red, and here should be red. Here in blue pin it should be red pin, and here in blue pin it should be red pin. Okay, now everything is okay. Now I'm going to run my program. Okay, let me turn on my camera. Okay, let's see if it works or not. I need to save my file. Let me clear the terminal. Okay, now I'm going to run my file. Turn on the blue LED.
Didn't catch sound for an internal error.
Okay, there was an error.
Didn't catch sound for an internal error.
Turn on the blue LED.
Didn't catch sound for an internal error.
Okay, here is it is having a problem. I'm terminate this and let's see what is the problem here. Okay, I did a mistake. I need to cut this piece of code and I need to paste it in the loop. Okay, let me correct the indentation. Okay, and let's VS Code happy. Okay, now I'm going to run my program and let's see how it works. Turn on the blue LED.
Blue LED is blinking.
Turn on the red LED.
Didn't catch sound for an internal error.
Red LED. Turn on the red LED.
Red LED is blinking.
Okay, it catches wrong input all the time because of my bad microphone. So guys, don't get panic about it, and you can see our project is 100% working, and you can try and play with your code. So guys, I think you guys have the clear idea what is happening here, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.